Hi, my name's Chris Dyson. I'm from Chris Dyson Architects, and we had the pleasure of working on this project in the Bishopsgate Goodsyard. We've been involved for many years, and we've seen the scheme develop over those years. And I'm particularly interested in the heritage benefits to the project, and those are my main concerns, that we retain as much of the character of the Goodsyard in this area as much as possible. We're particularly appointed to work on the public realm and the park and the Slater Street cottages, and it's those aspects which I think are illustrative of the heritage benefits of the scheme. So this wall that I'm standing in front of will all be retained. The arches that we see behind us around the site will largely be retained on the eastern side of the Wheeler Street. The park will just be amazing. I think it'll be a fantastic asset to the scheme, and the housing that retains and overlooks it will only benefit and also add to that park in the sense of ownership and self-policing and scale, and it'll be a real asset for the neighbourhood. A fantastic project to work on. London Road is retained with the cobble street, and the archways will become wonderful little small boutique shops, all of which will be a great asset to the neighbourhood. The oriel on the western side of the project is also to be retained alongside the gates, and the ironwork that has been hidden for many years will come out into the public realm, and again will add a texture and a character, a patina to the project, which will be very useful. East-west routes are very important to this project. Finally, this site will become more transgressive. You'll be able to walk through it in an easy manner from east to west. Something we've not been able to do as locals for many years now. The site has been closed, and it's sort of like a block in the natural street pattern. This east-west route will be London Road, which will enjoy this wonderful south light through the arches, looking to the south with the sound of the rail track. A really urban street, but pedestrianised and of great character. The Slater Street cottages, which we're involved in, will be restored in their entirety as if they were listed buildings. They're not actually listed, they're locally listed, but we are renowned for our work on heritage projects, particularly in Spitalfields in this neighbourhood, and we are very excited about the restoration of these cottages, including the staircases, the panelling, the fireplaces. All of those details will be restored accurately and carefully, and the cottage is brought back to useful life.